So I'm sitting by water right now, which is really good. I just wanted to be by water today. Went to a therapist, had a nice little chat. He was a very nice gentleman. Just let me talk, and I basically said all the things that I've been saying in these blogs, and it felt really, really good. He had some good advice. A lot of the advice he gave me is very similar to advice that a few people have given me as well. Oh my gosh. There's two birds fighting right beside me. Anyway, what he said was, oh my god. Oh my god, there's birds all around me right now. Go away! Oh my god. I'm not the biggest fan of birds. They kind of freak me out because they're spastic like I am. Hey, little guy, go away. Anyway, I always think I want to be in nature, and then I get here and I'm like, oh my god, there's things everywhere. So some of the advice that he gave me, that friends have been giving me, is to work on meditation, calming my brain down, which is something that I'm very, very willing to do because I need to. And, oh my god, there's a bird right beside my beer. Go away! Oh my god. Oh my god, there's birds friggin' everywhere! One with nature. So yeah, I've been doing yoga. I've gone 4 days in a row. I went to 2 classes today, actually, after my therapy session. I just happened to come across some yoga going on in a park, and I went and just started doing it. And then I, at the end, asked the instructor how much it cost, and she said that I came across it and jumped right in, and she admired that, and not to worry about it. So I thought that was really, really nice. It's so nice out today. I'm so happy I'm here right now. Oh! Minus the birds. So the 2 issues that I'm working on right now, I'm not the type of person to really get down on myself very often, but after this whole, I don't want to say infidelity, but this whole being with someone and them being with someone else at the same time really did a number on how desirable I feel, how sexy I feel, worthwhile. That's calmed down a lot because those are feelings that came up that my own brain created. And, I mean, who wouldn't feel like that in that situation? Oh, cool butterfly. So those have subsided quite a bit because I know that I am all of those things because I believe I am, and I know that I am. It was just a slap in the face, kind of. So now the thing that I'm working on, that's a very real emotion or feeling that I'm having, is really reconnecting with myself. I really need to reconnect with myself. Sit back and really figure out what I want in life. So much out there, you just seize the day, like I did today. It felt good. The seizing the day thing stems from, being in a relationship with someone, and he lived right next door to me, or still does, anyway. All my free time was with him. All his free time was with me. So I got very, very comfortable and very used to having someone else around, which is very different for me because I'm not a loner. I'm a very social person, but I really, really cherish my downtime, my alone time. And I never had a lot of that with Andrew because he was always over. Or I was over there. He mostly was at my house, though. I can count on one hand how many nights we were apart since we got together. And now I'm alone again, and I have all these like insecure thoughts and feelings, and not as strong as they were, obviously. Sorry, I'm burping. I'm drinking beer. I brought beer. Oh, it's so nice out. So next week I'm going to Hamilton because my mother, my sister, and my nephew are flying in for a couple of weeks. So I'm going down to spend a few days with them. It couldn't come in at a better time at all. June came in, knocked me on my ass. By the time June lets out, I'm going to be with family, and that's really important to me. I'm very, very excited to see them, and my cousins that I'm close to from Hamilton. I'll see them as well, and I'm tight with them as well. Then I have Jen and Mark's wedding, and I'm the photographer for that. I still don't know how I'm going to do that. I'll do it for them because I love them and they're awesome. Oh. My friend Nancy's texting me. We're setting up some yoga dates, so that's kind of cool. So my friend Melissa sat me down last week and got me to really talk about how I was feeling and just kind of dug in there. It was really, really nice. One of the things that stood out that she told me is that I'm allowed to have whatever feelings and thoughts about any given situation, but I have to remember that I create those feelings and those thoughts. So some of the things that I've been dealing with have seemed a lot better when I sit back and realize that I can make myself feel however I want. When you're feeling down, you can turn that around and be happier. When you're feeling up, ride it. And a woman just fell off of her bike, and she's laughing. And now she's picking flowers. You never know what you're going to see on any given day around here. There's a lot of really good people around me. And I don't ask for help very often. At all. I couldn't even ask the last time I reached out, said, help me. But I've been doing that. People have been. And I love that they have been. It's been a good few days. Really good few days. I know my mom was worried about me. The last time I had a really big emotional breakdown, she jumped on a plane and came and spent a month with me. So it was pretty bad. And there's a bird right there. Go away. I'm sorry. Just go away. Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't go behind me. Anyway. And there's a whole bunch of birds, so I'm gonna go. Bye.